Welcome to my channel. Today we will write an essay on Quaid-e-azam in English. Quaid-e-azam was a remarkable leader who played a vital role in the creation of Pakistan. Jinnah rose to prominence as a lawyer and politician. He was a strong advocate for Hindu-Muslim unity. He worked tirelessly to bring about a united India. However, due to the deep-seated differences between the two communities, Jinnah became the leader of Muslims. He spearheaded the movement for a separate Muslim homeland, which ultimately led to the creation of Pakistan. Jinnah's vision for Pakistan was one of a tolerant and inclusive society where people of all faith could live in harmony. As a first Governor General of Pakistan, Jinnah worked tirelessly to establish the new nation's government and institutions. Jinnah remained committed to his vision for Pakistan and worked until his death on September 11, 1948. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.